Than at my dad's I was supposed to go to.
Get going.
Like a claw machine. That'd be fun.
Hey, Jeff. Come down and see if you can pick up this corner. With your bucket.
That's a good idea. Pick up the corner and fall right over.
Now we got 10 for the picking. Oh, it has nice screws.